Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure iOS 26 is active and Messages is updated. That prevents feature mismatches. Open the Messages app and pick the conversation you want to change now. Choose whether you'll use a photo, a gradient, or a solid color from your photos or wallpaper library. Back up your device to iCloud or Finder before you alter system visuals, because once you change UI assets, you may want to revert. Once ready, tap the contact or conversation header to access background options. Now tap the conversation header and choose backgrounds. This is where photos and color presets live. Select a photo or a color, then use the on-screen controls to crop, set blur level, and tweak opacity so messages remain readable. Contrast matters. If you prefer consistency, enable Smart Sync to push the same background to your other iOS 26 devices. Make sure Messages iCloud Sync is on. When the preview looks good, tap Apply. The app saves the look per conversation immediately. Finish by tapping Done to save the new background, and then check the conversation list to confirm the change appears. If it doesn't show, force close Messages and reopen it. If that fails, restart the device to clear temporary UI caches. Make sure iCloud Messages is synced and that any display filters aren't active. If problems persist, go to Settings, right arrow Messages, right arrow Backgrounds, and reset the conversation appearance, then reapply the image, because corrupted previews are rare but fixable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.